subscribe to my videos, turn on notifications every time I post a new video. Today we're making another kid-friendly recipe. Today what we're making is sugar cookie
Truffles.
Now we need sprinkles, white
chocolate,
cracker, and cheese.
Cream cheese.
So now we have to put all the crackers in the blender. You have to open it. I know how to put crackers in the blender. I'm just gonna eat one because they're super tasty.
Okay guys, if you have food processor, go ahead and use that. But since we don't have, we're gonna use just blender. And then now we put the cream cheese. And now we're just gonna mix it all up.
So now, after blending the ingredients, it almost looks like a cookie dough. I don't know what this is, but let's just call cookie dough because it looks like cookie dough. So now we're gonna scoop some, and then we gotta roll this I don't know if I can do that well, but it's okay. After we roll the cookie dough, I guess we have to call it, we're gonna now put it in the oven.
Freezer.
Freezer.
We're gonna put it in the freezer and let it set for 20 minutes. We'll wait for the dough to stiffen up. It will get hard. While your dough is setting in the fridge, go ahead and melt your white chocolate in the microwave.
Okay, we put it in the freezer and now it's very hard. We're gonna dip the cookie dough, let us call it, and put it in the melted chocolate. Rainbow.
We will coat the dough with the melted chocolate.
Mine, rainbow.
Yes,
Mine.
Okay, while the chocolate is still melted, we're gonna sprinkle some sprinkle on top while the chocolate is not setting yet.
Okay, so now we're putting out the sprinkles together with one more. That's it. Let's put more on the other. Let's sprinkle. Let's not really put more on here. Whoa. That's a lot. Right? Let's put more in there. Just a lot. So, we finished decorating. Okay, don't talk. So, we decorated now we have to put it in the freezer and let it set over 5 more minutes. Again! Really? It's taste test time! So, we set it, now we're gonna try the food. Whoa, it looks like cake pops. And this is so hard to eat. I don't eat the sprinkles.
food.
Oh, wow.
Aisha, how was your travels?
Thank you.
It's good, you like it? Yummy? Is it yummy?
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this kid-friendly recipe. Please subscribe to this video, turn notifications every time I post a new video. This is Sophia here and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Aisha, you like it?
Yeah.
Yummy?
I